guys, whether you can hear me, whether you can. Well, we're on an adventure, and it's like another sort of just strange combination adventure, because something years ago that I said I'd have off an old guy has now suddenly materialised into actually existing, and I've got to go pick it up. So I've just struggled to get that horrible BMW off. It came off, but my God, what a fight. Anyway, so it's off. So what I'm doing now is, I've got two issues. One, the battery was flat on the car transporter, I don't know why, so I struggled to start it. Two, I've got no diesel. So that's me two dilemmas. And the diesel needed a diesel is about 6-7 miles, so I'm going to try and get to that one if I can. Only because it's cheaper, and I'm going to get it's you know, whatever. So basically, it stands at the moment. I'm going off on an adventure to collect something, and all will be revealed hopefully when you see some more of the video. Right guys, you didn't see what I just loaded on the back, but I'm going to take you for a quick tour. Very low down in here. Any ideas? Any ideas what it is? Maybe give me some ideas. I won't tell you what it is. I can tell you it's actually one owner from you. I will say careless so. But anyway, we had to have it. We didn't want it, but we had to have it. I mean, it was too good to not to have it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, sorry about that, but I think you all realise what it was. I'm sure people who knew what it was knows exactly what it is. And it's very interesting. Oh, come on. See that down there? See that? There you go. Genuine car. So, very interesting. Still got a lot more of it to pick up yet, so we'll see, but that's the basis. And, it's coming home. Whether I'm going to get it off or not, I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing. I couldn't say no. I don't know why. I bought that thing so many times, and this is the first time I've ever managed to buy it, take it away. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Right, for the continuation of this. Now, you can see what it is. It's a genuine MGB GT V8. And it's quite an old time capsule, because it was crashed when it was really initially quite new. Hence you can see how it was, the wings were chopped off, but then it was left. It was just left stood. And it was left for years and years and years and years outside. And it's such a shame, because it is genuine. I think it's had literally just 2 owners from new, according to the logbook. It's original wheels. It actually, look at this. This is original. This has never been replaced. This has just got rusty and been stood with the water trapped in it because it was damaged. Because this was smashed up when it was new. I mean, the damage you see all over it. Oh, look at the bottoms of the sills. Look at the sills at the bottom of the doors. I mean, it needs a shell, really, because you can buy a shell. You can buy a heritage shell, but if you look underneath the thing and you look around it, you suddenly realise, God, when I saw this thing 20 years ago and tried to buy it, actually the roof was still on it. But he tried to lift it up with a I don't know what he did, but he lifted it with a crane, and anyway, he lifted it with a forklift and damaged the roof. The roof ripped off. I'm picking the roof up, but I don't think it's worth. You know, I'm going to get the roof. I've got all the interior was taken out of it when it was new, and he bought quite a few bits and pieces to repair it. But like you can see there, got a second-hand front panel, and it's got its 5 steel wheels and whatever. But it's not my sort of car. Not being an MGB hater or an MG hater. My MGCs were just nightmares. I still got one at the barn, but I mean, I never did any good with them. I hate them. I like the cars, never was that any good with them. Not a great lover of MGB GT V8. I'm sure it's a lovely car. I mean, I'm sure somebody would love it, and this just needs a reshell. But what a car! 2 owners, not that low mileage. Just it's over 50,000 miles. But obviously the engine needs to go through. But it's got its correct manifold, which is quite strange, because the genuine cars, as you see, had a manifold that actually put the carbs at the back to come forwards, rather than like most of the conversions which come in from the top, because obviously all the conversions are done with like SD1 engines or whatever. So yeah, I mean, on that respect, quite an interesting car. Just something that I've known about for a long time, but I thought, well, it came up, so I thought I would get it. I don't think I'll do anything with it. I think I will probably find somebody who wants to do something with it. If you're that man and this video goes on while I still own it, then guess what, guys? There's a few more bits to pick up. I got the interior, and I got some bumpers and all the other bits and pieces that were taken off it when it was going to be done, and it just got left outside. It got left in the most insane storage place you could imagine. I saw it, like say, 20 odd years ago, and at the time I said, do you want to sell it? No, it's going to be a retirement project. It's going to be a retirement project. Unfortunately, it never got to be a retirement project, and it's here now. So we're going to sort of get her sitting on the frame so I can get her off the truck, and do that intents and purposes. This is just for implementation, really. I mean, if you like MGBs and you like V8 ones, that is a genuine 1974 car. Little time capsule. It's a shame, isn't it? It's a shame he ended up getting it that bad, but it's also a shame that, I don't know, saying the guy didn't get to do it. Anyway, so talk to you soon. Like and subscribe, follow me about, and if you're enjoying watching the videos, we're going to sort of go a bit sort of more diverse anyway, so you'll see. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye. Right, guys, disaster struck. Trying to get it off on my own, it's too heavy, and it fell off the ramp. So now I'm off on, off, and I have no idea how the hell I'm going to get it off the back of the truck. So to be continued. I might just sit you there, let you have a laugh. Guys, there we go. That's how you do it in the EdShed. If you haven't got all the stuff you need, you've got to shed those projects. That one needs new seals. This one is great but heavy. It fell off the frame a bit, but she's all there. She's all there. And we got Dash. There she is, original, genuine. Air clearance inside it. Yeah, well, it's off. So it's off. That's all I can say. So that was nice to see you. Right, you won't get back. Maybe me.